Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The Global Services Association of Jamaica is reporting that recovery has started in the business process outsourcing sector. President of the association, Gloria Henry, says the industry, which was significantly impacted earlier this year, is benefiting from increased investment. Andrew Laidley reports.
According to the president of the Global Services Association of Jamaica, Gloria Henry, the industry is on track to meet its targets. She says this is due in part to increased foreign direct investment despite the COVID-19 restrictions imposed on the sector.
So far, for this year, we had some new investments that were in the pipeline, and we have managed to convert all of those. Okay. So we have two new firms that started since September, and we have another two. One is looking to start in December and the other one to start first quarter of next year.
While acknowledging the fallout earlier this year, Ms. Henry noted that the recovery has started.
We lost about $45 million, and we overall up to end of June, we had seen a 24% decline, but it's picking back up. So at August, it was about 11% in terms of number of employees. But you may have seen in the news that new sites are opening. IX opened in Ocho Rios. Centerfield just opened a new site in Kingston. And there are other sites that are expanding in different communities now.
As for those who were laid off,
many of the persons who were laid off, 7,000 employees were laid off during the lockdown. Most of them are going back to work, if not all. By the end of the year, nearly all of them will be back at work. I want to say that we are looking forward to our growth of the value chain and to realizing 50,000 employees by end of next year, and to move towards $1 billion US dollars in earnings.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Supreme Court has denied Salada Foods' bid to overturn orders from the Jamaica Commodities Regulatory Authority, JACRA, regarding its coffee quota. Justice Nemhard, who delivered the ruling on Friday, also refused permission for Salada to appeal the decision. Salada Foods filed an application for a judicial review after JACRA directed the company to include 30% local coffee content in the formulation of its instant coffee. Salada currently uses 10% local coffee. The court ruled that JACRA did not overstep its authority and that the regulator had fulfilled its duty. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ has decided to hold its policy interest rate unchanged at 0.5% per annum. In a statement this afternoon, BOJ said this revised inflation outlook is influenced by the impact of the recent flood rains on domestic agricultural supplies over the near term. It is also influenced by the ongoing impact of COVID-19 on the economy. Based on an assessment, the BOJ said while inflation will be temporarily elevated over the next 4 to 5 months, it will remain within the 4 to 6% target over the next 2 years. And on the foreign exchange market today, well, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $148.09. The Canadian sold for $112.83. The pound closed at $193.95, while the euro is going for $177.08. The JC Index gained 4,655 points today, and the Junior Market Index is up 21 points. Among the winners were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Margaritaville Turks, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Epley, and Dermont Trading. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, Cargo Handlers, Dolphin Cove, Key Insurance, and iCreate. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.